My name is Janelity Narciso, 47 years old and a breast cancer patient from Bai City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I personally experienced how cancer can change your life, and I know how important support is for patients and their families. That's why I want to ask for your help. Please join me in supporting Filipino-American Cancer Care by attending their 5th anniversary celebration and charity gala on October 12 at the Yacht Regency in Reston, Virginia. You can also support by purchasing a $150 ticket on the Filipino-American Cancer Care website, donating online, or calling, texting FACC at 571-352-0165. Your support means so much. It helps people like me, so many others affected by cancer. Thank you for helping make a difference.